Hi everyone, I hope y'all are having a great day. So, HICC Groom sent me some stuff to share with y'all. They sent it to me free to share a video with y'all. They sent me some cat glove wipes and a pet skincare spray. So yeah, let's get into this. Which I'll put the links in the description. Oh, they sent a little extra. Okay, so let's get to the cat gloves first. So cleansing, deodorizing, antimicrobial skincare, cleaning side and massaging side, double-sided, skin antimicrobial and deodorizing treatment, non-toxic, safe if licked or ingested, rinse-free, air dries fast. There's 6 pieces, a box. So yeah, it's has instructions: fold, squeeze, tear, wear, wipe, air dry. Tips: squeeze to push the solution through the middle tunnel. Soak the dry glove for 30 seconds. Okay. But it's the glove side, and this is the cleaner stuff. Uses: daily cleansing of fur, skin, ears, mouth, teeth, around the eyes, soothe skin issues and extra skincare, baby, pet, pregnant, sick, after surgery, wounded, irritations and sensitive skin. It's all right for after walks and travels. So yeah. And the material is non-woven fabric, and the ingredients is hypochlorous acid and deionized water. So yeah, I need to put my glasses on to read this. Perfect skincare cleaning supply for cats with sensitive skin, itchy skin, irritated skin, and skin problems. Great bath alternative to clean pets and prevent them from bacteria and skin diseases. You know, cats, water, most of them. My cats are like that. So hopefully this will work, because giving them an actual bath is so fun. And then can be used on all parts of cat skin, including eyes, ears, mouth, teeth, paws. Promote cat skin and coat health, soothes itchiness, prevents skin irritation, relieves hot spots and rashes, removes odor, daily hygiene and wound care. And then extra immune support for kittens and mother cats. Kittens' fragile skin prone to be allergic, and after births, cats' skin is more sensitive and easier to get irritated, while the ingredient can improve their immune function. Don't have to rinse afterwards. Innovative massage tips. It has a skin-friendly silicone massage tips on the brush tips to brush away dirt, dander, and loose hair while improving the cat's circulation. The glove wipes are made of organic cotton. Due to high content of cotton, the glove is softer and more fluffy than common wipes. Why it's safe, why it works, what's the ingredients. The liquid inside consists of only purified water and HICC, which is naturally produced in the mammalians' bodies that white blood cells generate to fight against foreign bodies. It is non-toxic, non-irritable, totally safe for you and your pet. HICC has long been used by veterinarians in the care for animal pregnancy after surgery and for wound control, safe for humans and animals. So I'm guessing that's what the Okay, it's on the actual. Is that what the hypochlorous acid is? I'll look that up. Yeah, it's the same substance created by your own immune system. Our bodies create hypochlorous acid to fight infection and promote healing. Okay. Coolio. And then the link will be in the description. Then I have the HICC Groom Pet Skincare Spray for cuts, abrasion, acne, deodorizes, and for skin irritations. Cleans and help heal pet cuts, abrasions, and minor wounds. Flush discharge in eyes and ears, and removes odors. Relieves itches and irritation of skin, eyes, and ears. The ingredients are the same as the gloves, so it's pretty much, except for the percentage. The percentage of it is different. I'm not going to go over that. The directions. Hold for away from the affected area, remove spray lid, and saturate the affected area. Repeat 3 to 4 times per day. No need to rinse. Safe for use around mouth, nose, ears, eyes, and paws. For best results, use in conjunction with the HICC Groom glove wipes for proper cleansing and moisture balance during healing stages. Okay, so says this is intended for the management of wounds including skin abrasion, lacerations, cuts, burns, help prevent wound infections and further inflammation. I think this leaked a little bit. There's how much is in there? Can't tell how much is in there. There's still a good amount in there though. But anyways, yeah, it spilt a little bit. I kind of thought it was kind of damp here. Didn't get into anything else though, at least. Safe for all animal species at all stages of life. Safe if licked or ingested. Safe to use on or around mouth, nose, ears, eyes, and hypersensitive skin. And then it also is talking about the hypochlorous acid again. And then it's for your cat or dog, so either can be used. So again, I'll have that in the description below as well. So yeah, I will also use that. But also they added in a couple extra things too. They added in this pet flea comb. Test that out too, because I'm pretty sure some of my cats have fleas at the moment, which sucks. And then I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy for this for some reason. I don't know. Dog tail magnetic hook. If only it was a cat. If only it was a cat. But it's fine because it's so freaking adorable. They're so cute. So yeah, look at it. And then there's that, so you can hook it. It's magnetic. I just love it. It's so cute. It's just so cute. And then they have a little sticker thing for advertisement kind of stuff, and little kitties. So yeah, I will put this together with me using it on my animals. So yeah, so for this part, that's it. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye.